Libra, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for March. Before I go ahead with the video, first I'm really sorry I was a little unwell and hence some of these monthly videos got a little delayed. So I really hope you understand the situation. Now we'll quickly go ahead with the video and see what this month has for you. Now like always, the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you want. But for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now while I'm shuffling the cards, Libra, please note that tarot should always be used as a guide, so please go ahead and take only what resonates and leave the rest. Let's quickly begin. Now what I see for you here is you have the Sun card, you have the Emperor, you have the Seven of Swords, and you have the Five of Pentacles. Your person has the Ace of Pentacles, the Nine of Wands, the Seven of Wands, and the Page of Swords. Now we'll also see what is the mutual feeling both of you have, what is the blockage in this particular relationship, and what is the outcome of this particular relationship. Bottom of the deck, I have the Moon card. So either you or your person, okay, somebody has been hiding something, and yes, that is impacting this particular relationship. Okay, now let's quickly see what we have for you. With the Sun card, it looks like you are radiating a lot of warmth, a lot of love, okay, and you are leading this particular relationship with the Sun card and the Emperor. So you know what you want, you're leading this particular situation, and you're very clear on what you want in your life, okay, and all the good things are also coming towards you. However, with this Seven of Swords here, it looks like either somebody around you or okay, this other person might have gone ahead and done something. Now for a very few of you, it also shows that there could be a situation that might come wherein you would move from an Emperor energy to the Seven of Swords energy, and that could be because of an outside force which will go ahead and maybe tempt you to go ahead and do something deceiving. So just be a little careful, go ahead and you know, just think before you act, okay. And if it is especially when somebody else is influencing your thoughts, then just be a little careful, okay. Now what I see for your person is they have the Ace of Pentacles with the Nine of Wands. This person wants a very stable relationship with you, but currently I believe this person is seeing that this is not going in the direction that they want this relationship to go, and that's causing a lot of stress, a lot of exhaustion, a lot of anxiety to them. That's what I see. This person is really you know, stressed that this relationship is just not moving in the direction that they want it, and because it's not going in the direction, they want to have a very honest one-on-one conversation with you. Now what I would strongly recommend, Libra, is if there is something that is happening behind the back, okay, with the Moon energy and with the Seven of Swords, it's best that you have a conversation instead of keeping the other person in the dark, okay. Now the mutual feeling both of you have is guilt, okay. So there could be a situation where one or both of you could have done something that will cause a lot of guilt, okay. If it has not already happened, it will happen in the future, and that will cause a lot of guilt because maybe somebody's trust will be broken. Alright, now what I see, the blockage in the relationship is the Two of Pentacles. Yes, that looks like somebody is trying to juggle between two options, hence there is a little bit of a, you know, dicey situation here. Somebody is trying to check between two options. Now these two options could be two jobs, two situations, two people, anything, okay, but there is definitely something else where this person is involved, and that is causing a lot of, you know, a lot of stress to them right now. Now what is the outcome of the relationship is the Three of Wands. The Three of Wands is when a person gets stuck, you know, they wait for their ships to come in, they just wait for actually their time to come, okay. So because this person is going through this situation where maybe they are not able to talk to you about this other situation that they are in, they will get stuck. They will not be able to take a step forward with you because they have something that they have not dealt with, okay. So you can't go ahead and, you know, start a new chapter till the time you don't close the other chapters. So that's how life works. Let's quickly see what is the intention of this person for you this particular month. Let's take one card. Alright, now this is again the Moon card. If you see, we had the Moon at the bottom of the deck and we again have the Moon card. So yes, there is definitely something that is not done in the light of the sun. So somebody is hiding something. There is some situation, something that is going on that either you or the other person is not telling. Okay, let's take one more card here. Spirit, help me with one more card here, please. All right, now I see they have the Fool card. So once this person will get to know, okay, that they were deceived or there was some information that was hidden from them, they will just go ahead and take that big leap of faith and they will march forward in a totally opposite direction. Okay, so just be a little ready that if there is something that you are doing, or if it is the other person who is doing, the other party will definitely take a big leap of faith and walk away. Okay, that's what I'm seeing right now from these cards. Now let's take one more card here. Let's take one more card. Spirit, help me with one more card, please. Alright, now this is the Eight of Swords. With the Eight of Swords, this person is not able to tell you what's happening at the back because unfortunately they are blindfolded. They're not able to see what will happen. Okay, they're not understanding the circumstances and what will be the consequence of those circumstances. So that's the reason why this person is just stuck at this particular moment. Let's take one card here, which is a message from archangels and a crystal that can help you. Let's take one card here. Alright, the crystal that I see for you is green tourmaline, and the message is from Archangel Raphael, which I'll put in the description box. The crystal message is: do you have unlimited supply in all areas of your life? Are you attracting loyal friends and colleagues? It is time to recognize that there is an unlimited supply, myriad opportunities, and an unlimited potential available to you. Decide what type of people you want in your life and know that you have the ability to attract them. So that's the crystal message for you, and that's all I have for you, Libra, for this particular month. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until next time, please stay safe and love yourself first.